guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use Canva into order to create mockups just like this to share your products, your logotypes and brands or images into different screen sizes and options mockups like this. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for friends of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us. So first thing is to create a new design. Okay, you can go to Canva and create a new design, up to you. In my case, it's gonna be an Instagram ads bar. Now review the left sidebar of menus and you're gonna be able to find the apps tab. Click on it. Then type into the search field mockups, just like this. And here is the guide you are looking for, the first one. And right here you're gonna be able to find a couple of options. We have videos, smartphones, print, apparel, computers, frames, home and living, packing, outdoor, graphics, tablets and TVs, and even watches. For example, something like an ad on Apple Watch. Adjust the image according to your needs, just like this. For me is okay. Now all you have to do is upload your media. So review the left sidebar of menus once again, and we're gonna be searching for the option called upload. Right here we're gonna need to upload your file. In my case I'm gonna use the Visual Modo logo, just like this. Wait while the upload process complete. While you do this, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Then just drag the image and drop into this little image picture. And as you can see, here is the Visual Modo logo type. And of course, if you click, you can even customize to fit, to full. You can change how big it's gonna look like, up to your needs. You can use the smart crop, you can change the alignment, you can change the flip, and you can detach image or apply the changes. Simple, and you can repeat the process according to your needs. For example, okay, so into my phone, into the cup, into the t-shirt, into the tablet, up to your needs. Simple, right? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.